Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting wearable gadgets of the year, the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. These are more than just sunglasses with a camera. They're a glimpse into the future of wearable technology wrapped in one of the most iconic designs in fashion. At first glance, they look exactly like a classic pair of Ray-Bans. No flashy lights, no bulky frames, but hidden inside is some seriously impressive tech. The frames are lightweight yet sturdy, the lenses are high quality, and you can choose from multiple styles and colors. Best of all, they're comfortable enough to wear all day, whether you're at the beach, walking in the city, or working in the office. Let's talk about the camera. These glasses come with a built-in 12-megapixel camera capable of shooting sharp photos and smooth 1080p video. With just a quick tap on the frame, you can capture what's in front of you hands-free. And if you're a social media creator, here's the fun part. You can live stream directly to Instagram or Facebook without even touching your phone, perfect for travel vlogs, events, or just sharing moments instantly. Built-in speakers let you listen to music, podcasts, or even take phone calls without blocking out the world around you. The directional audio means only you hear the sound, so it's surprisingly private. But the real magic comes from the integration with Meta AI. You can ask questions, get information, or even have it translate speech in real time, all through voice commands. It's like having a discreet personal assistant right on your face. Battery life is solid for a device this small, up to 4 hours of active use, plus a portable charging case that can top them up multiple times during the day. The companion app makes it easy to transfer your content, control settings, and even find your glasses if you misplace them. So, are the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, functional gadget that blends seamlessly into everyday life, these are hard to beat. They're perfect for creators, travelers, and anyone who wants tech that doesn't look like tech. This is wearable technology done right, and the future looks very bright.